Well, Polaris, are you up for the challenge? You know, there's no record yet for an ATV pulling trailers here, but our Kubota tractor pulled 15 trailers at one time with no problem at all. Let's see what this Polaris can do. We've got about 11 trailers, so that'll give us a pretty good idea. So, are you up for it? Let's go. This key here. Oh yeah. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, 12. 12 carts, or trailers rather, I mean. Let's give it a go. It'll look good like this. I got my dad to drive for me so I could get better footage. Holy cow, it's like a train. There's the caboose. Holy cow. Well, he's got four-wheel drive. That's sure helping out, otherwise those back wheels would be spinning like crazy. Man. 52 tires rolling up the road right there. Now comes the hard part. Watch out for that handsome Ford truck there. Wait for all the traffic to clear. There he goes. Holy cow. Polaris power. Uh-oh, we got some wiggling wheels. Two sets of wiggling wheels. Up to the parking lot. Here he comes. Wow, pretty good. That's the record for the ATV so far. Hadn't beat the Kubota though. The Kubota's done 15. Heck, that's even longer than a tractor trailer. Probably 1.5 the length. Dang. How did it do?
Fine.
Sweet. Gotta love your Polaris ATVs.